Hello guys, today we're driving the Audi Q8. This is the premium version, and before we hop into this major vehicle, let's take a look on the outside. Nice welcome sound. Let's take a look on the outside. So as you guys can tell, this vehicle has the Vacuna beige. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong, but it's a beige that Audi specifically makes. And take a look at that front end. Audi did a beautiful job on this vehicle. Let's pop the hood, see what's up under it. Front of this massive hood, we have a 3.0 V6 engine. Has about 335 horsepower and about 369 pound-feet of torque. This one has the V6 engine as well. Clean bay. Pretty massive. I love how Audi designed the lights, strips, LED strips there. And this is the S-Line package, which gives you the 5-spoke 22-inch rims, black, and then you get the red calipers with it, and then it gives you the all-season Continental tires that are on it as well. Nice black roof racks, LED turn signals on your side mirrors, color matched door handles. Don't let this camera do dust. This vehicle is magnificently beautiful. And if you're in the market for a new Audi, make sure you go hit up Wyoming Valley Audi, as this is where this vehicle is bought at, and they have a lot more there. They kept the same Audi emblem on the back. All right, we have the rubberized floor mat in the back. Take a look at all this storage room. Compartment cubbies there. Take a look to see if we have a spare tire. Yes, we actually have a spare, which is pretty good. So power liftgate. I love how they put that there in case you're pulling anything, scratches this and not the plastic that's up under it. Power liftgate. There we go. The only thing that I wish that Audi would have done, instead of keeping this out, actually put this up under the piece there. It'll give it a more styling look. They did an awesome job with it. This is the Quattro as well, so this is the all-wheel drive version. Let's take a look at the back seat, see how much space is in it. We do have a lot of displays. Love this. Get the vents here, and then love the sunshade there as well. Check this out. We have heated seats down in the back for both passengers. Then I can control the temperature that I would love for it to be back here. It's pretty cool. Change the fan speed. Pretty awesome. Wow. Take a look at the cup holders there. Nice armrest, just in case you want to use your arm. Don't have any drinks there. It's normally most armrests have the cup holders already built into it, but now you have a choice to fully rest your arm there, which is good. This is also the brown leather interior. Feels really good. And then check this out. I can roll down my passenger window from over here. That's really neat. Did you guys just see that? That was awesome. Then if you want your sunshade up, that's pretty cool. Let's take a look on the inside. We do have a power seat with a lot more support. Do have memory seats here as well. This is a massive, nice front end. Audi's one of my favorites. Do have a emergency parking brake there. Nice shifter here. Basically the same thing that Audi's had previous years before. Take a look at that camera. It's front camera here. and your 360 camera there, and then boom, you can also do it in 3D, which is pretty crazy. Still haven't figured out how they've done that yet, but it's awesome. Do have our idle start and stop. Nice controls here. We do get ventilated and heated seats for driver and passenger, and then I press that to change the speed. Audi game has always been up. Enough with talking, let's take it on a spin. And got a big panoramic sunroof there, which is nice. Nice. Instead of talking, let's take this on a spin. I'm actually gonna put this, let's change different drive modes. So I want to change this to dynamic. Or actually, let's start off in comfort. But you do get 5 different drive modes. You can do off-road, comfort, auto, dynamic, or individual. Individual, you can change the specs up to yourself. Let's take it on a spin. Also love that you get a power steering wheel, so you can actually customize. You don't have a lever here, you actually just pull, push, just like that. Let's turn the lights on. All weather lights, it's pretty unique. We have our paddle shifters here on the steering wheel. It's pretty unique. Let's turn the radio station on. Oh, I gotta go. Actually, let's take a listen to what it sounds like fully turned up. That was pretty loud. You can really feel this turbo kicking in on this Audi. Feels really good. This also have the adaptive damping suspension, which is amazing. Have on an SUV. This is that luxury, performance, great riding type of SUV here. Audi did a really good job customizing everything on here. Great visibility, seeing in and out, and it doesn't feel too large. You know, like when I'm driving, it doesn't. You can have a normal comfort drive. Doesn't feel too large. The dash actually is like the perfect size where I could see a little bit over the hood, you know. Wow, he was flying on that motorcycle. We're gonna do actually a 0 to 60. We're gonna put this, let's change this while no one is coming. Let's change this to dynamic, and let's see what 0 to 60 is on here. One's coming, perfect. 1. Wow. That does not just feel like 335 horsepower. The torque feels amazing in here. Actually gonna try it with our paddle shifters now. See if that'll have a bit better. That does not just feel like 360 or 335 horsepower and only 369 feet-pounds of torque. That does not feel like it. This thing is pretty impressive. This is a nice grocery getter, or if you have any bad weather, you still have the all-wheel drive. And I love that it'll manually shift for me, dropping down into the lower gears. I don't even have to do it now. Then you could shift it over here. The only thing is there's no clutch down there or down here. Do have blind spot detection. Both of our side mirrors. But I'm heading straight, so it's curvy, bumpy road. It's funny that there's another Audi behind me. Looks like an A4 or an A6. I wouldn't mind using this as a daily. I mean, handles really well, feels really good. I'm really comfortable in these seats. Audi, you did a great job on that. My back feels good. The visibility is awesome. I did drive the SQ7 a while back, and to me it feels almost the same. I know that they use close to the same drive components, but this Q8 feels pretty good. Just trying to dodge these potholes because there's so many. And this thing gets up and go as needed. There's no issues at all. And then if you're wondering what the MSRP is on this car, this one spec'd out with the S-Line package, everything optioned on this vehicle. It was around $85,000. And that's coming with all of the features and functions to it. Like, we also have adaptive cruise control, which I'm gonna use here in a bit for us. Just look at the pickup. There's no running from it, and these minor bumps and potholes in the road, it's like nothing to it. Shifting downwards for me. I love that it's doing the shifting, helping out here. And this thing is just magnificent. There's no problems whatsoever. Taking that corner really well. It just eats those corners like they're nothing. Although I wish Audi would have put in like different badge here. It's the only thing that I wish they would have did. Maybe gave it something a little bit different, something a little refreshed. But I will tell you, the good thing about Audi too is it doesn't matter what year it is, they never ever look old. They just don't. Like, they always look new, they always look refreshed. You can never tell what age the car really is. We're about to do a couple pulls whenever this road gets open. Let's go get some pulls in. It gets up and go like no tomorrow. Alright, let's hit some corners, see how it feels. With a little bit of speed towards the corners. And as you guys see, it doesn't feel swayed at all. It feels amazing. Oh, this Q8 feels awesome. And the good thing is I can still go to the grocery store, pick up a few things, and still hit corners in it. It's like it's not even there. Wow. Wow. Audi, hands down, you guys have done a wonderful job on this Q8. Wow. Let's try this. I'm gonna set the cruise control. And as you guys see here, on this cruise control, I can set the distance that I would like to stay from the car that's in front of me. You can do up to, we got 5 car lengths there, which is amazing. Let's set the speed right there. There we go. Then you really don't have to do nothing. The car basically drives itself, take you around the curbs. Little bump, it's telling me to put my hands back on the steering wheel, but I can set up to that many car lengths behind that car that's in front of me. Then the vehicle is actually braking. Like I'm not braking at all. Vehicle slowed down and put me in that position. How amazing is that? It's actually gonna be it with today's video. Sorry guys, my GoPro actually just died. Park. That's gonna be it for today's video, guys.